Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add Adlibs on Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the left side of the screen, we have the trending, following, music and video. We also have the liked posts, albums, and playlists. In the top side of the screen, we have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add libs on Bandlab. First of all, launch Bandlab on your computer or mobile device and go to your library and open the project where you want to add Adlibs. After you've done that, click on Add Track button to create a new track for your Adlibs. Then record your ad-libs on the new track. You can use phrases like hey, yeah, oh, etc. Use the editor to trim and adjust the timing of your ad-libs. Apply effects like reverb, delay, and EQ to make your ad-lib sound more polished. Use the mixer panel to balance the volume of your ad-lib with the rest of your track. And pan your ad-libs to create a wider stereo image and add depth to your mix. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.